In this video, we are going to see how we can extract the date, month, and the year from a specific date in Excel. So let's say that you have multiple dates written in this format. Let me zoom it for you. It's day, month, and year. And for some reason, maybe you want to apply some formula. You want to separate all of these into different columns. How will we do it? It's very simple, and the formula is exactly the same what is written here. So if you want to extract month, it's very simple. Equals to month and select the serial number. Now serial number is basically whatever the date is. But let me just try it in the today's formula, because we already know that it will work in the complete date which is written manually. But does it work here in the formula as well? Let's see. So it is able to separate the month from the complete date. Let's try day formula. Again, it's very simple. Just select the date and it will identify and separate the date. If you want to extract the year, similarly, the formula is year, select the date and you are good to go. But what if we want to separate it this way? Let me just write in text form here. And let's actually create a little gap. If you want it to be in the text form, that means instead of 8, it should show August or AUG, that is the short form of August. We have a specific formula that can work in many situations, and that is text function. Although we have the function written here down at the bottom, but we will use the text function here. The value is the same, but the format should be mentioned in DD, MM, YY, whatever you require. So here I'll just open the inverted commas. Now, if you want the month to appear in the full name, that is August. So I'll write MMMM 4 times and inverted commas close. It will show you complete August. But if you want just short form, I'll just remove one M. That means the short form. Now it's showing AUG. If we remove one other, it will show us 08. And if we remove an other, it will show only 8. So let's keep the full name. Similarly, the day equals to text function. Again, select the original date, and in the format, if we write DDDD, it's Friday. If we remove one, it will show us the short form. If we remove one, again 01 and finally 1. So let's keep it to Friday. And for the year, again we can use text. Value is this YYYY. It doesn't matter if you use the capital letters or small letters. 3 times it still shows 2025. 2 times it shows 25, and 1 time it will still show 25, because 25 is the minimum year that can be shown. So let's make it full again. And this is how you can separate the month, day, and year both in the text forms and in the number forms in Excel. And that is very useful, especially if we are working on some advanced scenarios that we are going to see in future. As you can see here, we might need to separate all of these. Again, we will see it right here. So just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.